Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create these cute Christmas wreath in the app IBIS Paint X in no time. So this is going to be a fast tutorial. You're going to draw these or create these very easily. So first I'm going to open a festive canvas in my IBIS Paint X app, and I'm using this kaleidoscope ruler with 4 divisions just to create a simple circle at the center of the canvas. I'm using felt tip pen hard brush to create this. However, this layer is not going to be visible in the final outcome, so don't worry about the that double line circle, because it is just for our reference purpose to draw that wreath. So here, go to material and try Christmas. So here I'm not going to draw anything in person, just going to use the default materials available in the IBIS Paint X. So here I'm using these leaves and just going to place it here, and I'm going to duplicate these over and over again and arrange them perfectly to create that circle shape. So same process again and again. Just duplicate it, position it. Also make some variation. Don't make it like symmetrical. Don't make it to feel like a same single element is used in the entire wreath. So we have to show some variations and size variations and position variation, all these things. Once you finish duplicating this and positioning it, we're going to group these together and create another bunch of this half arch like wreath, and merge them all together. So yeah, if you want to adjust it, just adjust it now itself. After merging, you cannot able to adjust or make variation changes in this. So now I'm going to merge them. Just click on this merge down option and duplicate this. Now use the transform tool to rotate and place it here. So position the layers accordingly so that it looks like it is a continuous one. Yeah, like this. And now I'm going to duplicate this once again and place it here at the bottom of these two set of leaves. Like this, we form the perfect circle. Now merge them together. See, the background is over. Now I'm going to add some cute elements here. Before that, I'm just curious like whether we can change the color. So for that, I'm using huge saturation lightness filter and adjust the values like this to create beautiful wreath with multiple color, some dark light color variation. Now again search for Christmas and you can get so many things like this Christmas cookies. So click on that star so that it will appear on the favorites as well. And now just start placing them. So I'm going to use multiple cookies here, some candies here. So in this way I'm going to place everything. Just if we have the elements already, just duplicate them and simply change the position, rotate it a little bit or make it bigger, smaller, like this, and place it here. We add one, and also this one. And now place it here. Now I'm going to search for ribbon to place it at the top. I like this one. Just place it here, and the cookies behind that is hidden now, so I'm going to search for that and make it visible like this. Now, except ribbon, I'm going to merge all the layers, squeeze layers together like this. And I want to add some shadow, so just duplicate this layer, go to the bottom layer of these cookies, go to drop shadow and add the shadow like this, adjust the angle. So this is optional, but it gives some extra um, details to our artwork. Now do the same thing with this ribbon, just duplicate and add shadow to the bottom layer like this. And here is the Christmas tree without drawing in IBIS Paint X. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I hope my tutorials will be very useful for you. If so, check out all other videos as well, and tell me in the comments below what are the type of tutorial you want in IBIS Paint X, Infinite Painter and High Paint. So thank you for watching.